Welcome to Tech Tips with Jan. Today we'll be talking about a very simple, not seen element of the installation. As you very well know, most of the sliding systems will be top hung, so the top track is attached to the header. Most cases it will be wooden header, and the critical part of it is screw. Make sure that it's right size screw as well right type screw. For example, those are sheetrock screws. These are wood screws. Sheetrock screws, they are big no-no. They are not designed to handle the vertical load under tension. The tracks will have two types of the holes, either for straight holes or countersunk hole for panhead screws or for flathead screws. So please remember to use all the holes in the track for given screw type to assure the proper load carrying capacity and well executed installation and keep customer happy. Otherwise, if wrong screws are used, as I pointed out, the screws like sheetrock gypsum board screws, they will back out from the wood or just break away, and then the track will go down, doors are sagging, hitting the floor, and the customer is unhappy because they cannot use the door as it was designed. And first said, it is problem with the hardware. I'm sorry, it is installation issue.
Thank you for watching another episode of Tech Tips. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. What other installations and tech tips would you like to see? Please let us know in the comments below. Again, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.